UMvikeli woMphakathi u-Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uzonikela enkantolo ephakeme yokwedluliswa kwamacala eBloemfontein ngesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme eNorth Gauteng nesimayelana nombiko wakhe othinta ipulazi lezinkomo zobisi iEstina eVrede. Le nkantolo esichithile isicelo sakhe sokuthi kubukezwe isinqumo senkantolo njengoba yathola ukuthi umbiko wakhe ushaya eceleni. Mkhwebane uphinde wenqatshelwa ukuthi aphikise isinqumo sokukhokhela izindleko zecala.
Lolu kube usuku olubi kuMvikeli woMphakathi. Ijaji lithole ukuthi wehluleka ukuhlanganisa icala eliqinile enye inkantolo engathatha isinqumo sehlukile ngalo. Lolu daba limayelana nenqumo zenkantolo ngombiko othinta ipulazi lezinkomo zomkhiqizo wobisi iEstina owakhishwa uMkhwebane nyakenye. Lo mbiko uthathwe njengongekho emthethweni kanti ubusubekelwa eceleni. Kwesinye isinqumo inkantolo ithe uMkhwebane uzokhokha 7.5% ekhokhela abameli ababili kuleli cala. Inkantolo ephakeme eNorth Gauteng isichithileke isicelo sakhe.
The applications for leave to appeal against both the judgment on merits as well as the judgment on costs are dismissed with costs.
Umkhwebane uyimisele ngokulusa enkantolo yokwedluliswa kwamacala eBloemfontein lolu daba.
Public protector is disappointed with the outcome. We would have wished for a different verdict, but be that as it may, this is not the end of the road for us. The public protector will be petitioning the Supreme Court of Appeal.
Ihhovisi likaMkhwebane lisamile kwelokuthi indleko zecala akumele ikhokhwe nguye.
The public protector is of the strong view that personal costs against her, tamper with the independence of the office, because how else is she supposed to do her work if there's always this threat of a personal cost hanging above her head?
Yize sekuneyikhathi eziningana ihhovisi likaMkhwebane lilahlwa amacala kodwa lisamile ekutheni lenza umsebenzi walo.